Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? With another unboxing video. Today is going to be Animal Crossing New Horizons. Brought to you by Culturefly. What else is new? I like the design though. I like the wooden box.
Is that real?
I know, but it looks like a real wooden box. If it didn't have this, I'd probably keep it, but... Oh, nice! It looks like Winnie the Pooh. Kind of. This is Tom Nook, isn't it? I don't know.
I want to do it next.
I haven't played the game since the Nintendo Wii, so...
Wait.
Ice cube trays. I like that. That's cool. I seriously do not need another hat, but... Those are ice cube trays.
They're so cute. Okay. There's a leaf. There's... Acorn. Leaf, acorn. Egg, I guess?
That's a, coins. Bag of coins.
Okay, coins, a house, a tree, and church.
Lighthouse.
Right, yes. And I just called
Coasters. Ooh, that is nice. I like the feel of that.
DVD.
A leaf.
Book.
It's a journal.
Diary.
I can write my novel.
Oh.
80-line pages. I actually like the detail on that.
And the last thing, cup. The cup.
That is cute. I actually like that.
This video was so fast.
And with his eyes open, his eyes closed. That's kind of cute. I like that.
Wait.
You guys are faster than I am. I'm trying to open this so I can take a look at the inside. There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna make some ice.
Who needs that? One. That. That's cool. I like that. And then this is what it looks like throughout the pages. How do you write in there though? That's kind of distracting. Huh. I like the outside though. This cup is like perfect size. Well, you can't really fit anything in it, but
You hang on.
maybe. Be a big glass of eggnog. I like the hat. She's already using my stuff. I'll have to show what it looks like in the next clip.
Don't worry, guys. If you comment below what these ice cubes look like, I'm sure we'll show you.
Maybe. Anyways, guys,
Oh,
hope you enjoyed that quick little video.
it was really quick. It was
Very
not
quick.
It was 1 minute.
That was like a countdown to Christmas video. Kind of. Which, by the way, that is coming very soon.
Yeah, I already got my Yoda chocolate one.
Don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm trying to look for a hot sauce one, but I can't remember where I found it. So might end up just doing chocolates. Who knows? Anyways, guys, if you want this for yourself, I'll try and link it right below.
Oh, guys, do you have a website of them too?
Culturefly.com. Check them out. It's fun. Anyways, guys, hope you
You can type
enjoyed.
it on Google, right?
We'll see you in the next.
Wait.
No.